Welcome to part 3 of my tutorial about Twitter. If you have missed the two first ones, I will link them up in the eye. And as always, I have a lot to show you, so let's get this video started. Hi, I am Pixel-Pia, a teacher with 30 plus years of experience from Sweden and the US. In this episode of my tutorial about Twitter, we are going to look at how you can connect multiple accounts, what Twitter analytics show you, what moments are, and how you can go live on mobile. So let's move over to the computer.
So here we are in Pixel-Pia T, and we are going to start by adding more of my accounts. So we click on more and the little plus sign and add another existing account. Put the information and click login. And as you can see, I'm now logged in as Pixel-Pia Teaching and Learning. Let's add one more. Add existing account and Pixel-Pia Live this time. And log in. And now we are logged in as Pixel-Pia Live, and if we hit more you can see all three symbols up there. So let's go back to Pixel-Pia T. Now we are gonna take a look at Twitter Analytics. To do this, I am gonna switch to another account, in this case Pixel-Pia Live, since this account was created just for this tutorial, so there isn't much activity. The first time you go to Analytics, you have to turn it on. And here we are on the home of the Analytics. This page shows an overview of the last 28 days. It shows the number of tweets, impressions, how many profile visits you have had, mentions, and followers. And down in the right low corner, you can see an overview of the current month. Up at the top in the menu you can choose tweets, and as you see you get a more detailed overview of your tweets. You can also change the time period here, and you can download your data. Under more in the top menu you have two choices. Videos, that shows the detailed data of videos you have published, and conversation tracking. This is where you, by creating a website tag and installing it on your website, you can find out how your customer utilize your website. But that would be an advanced tutorial, so for now, just let us go back to the main Twitter page. Now let us take a look at Twitter Moments. Moments is a collection of tweets that when put together create a story. You can only create moments on the computer. So let's go to more and shows moments. And up in the right top corner you see a little flash and a plus. Click that one. Here you find the setup page for your moment. First, let's set the cover. I have pre-created one, so let's find that. And then you can position the marker and hit next. And this is for mobile. So I chose that part. Next, we need to add a title, Pixel-Pia in the moment, and a short description. Now it is time to add some tweets. I can add tweets I have liked. I can search by account. So first, let's take a look at the tweets from Pixel-Pia Live, and just click that little mark next to them if you want to add them to your moment. You can also search for accounts, so let's search for Pixelpia Teaching and Learning. And here I have the tweets from Pixelpia Teaching and Learning, and I hit the little check mark. Up in the left hand corner, under more, you can set a color for mobile phone. You can choose whether you want to show or not show your location. I prefer to not show it. And you can create a link for your moments. When you choose create link only, this moment will not be visible to anybody but the people that have the link. And you can also delete a moment. Now just hit done. And here we have it, my moment. We have the tweets I added, we have the short description, and we had the header. If I want to edit this, I go up to these 3 little dots and choose edit. I can now choose to make it public instead of just by link. I can delete a tweet that I previously added, and I can add more tweets. In this case, let's add this tweet from Patty Broussard that I have previously liked by clicking the little check mark, and then hit done. And here we have the moment in its new version. If I go to the home right now, it won't show up anywhere on the home. And let's go to profile. And as you can see, it doesn't show up here either. So if I want to do anything with it, I have to go to moments. And here it is, unpublished and looking the way I set it up. And of course I can go in and edit it. Now let's move over to my mobile and see how we can go live. From your home screen, swipe left to get to the camera. Now you can toggle between front and back camera. Here you have 2 options, capture photo or go live. You can also choose to enable or disable guests. With guests enabled, you can invite up to 3 people to take part in your live streams with or without camera and audio. Now you need to add a title for your live stream. In this case, I'm going to call it Testing the Live Function. And now it's time to hit go live. And here I am broadcasting. When you are done, hit the X and stop the broadcast. Here you can choose to edit the broadcast, and you can pick your thumbnail as well. Look at our final live video tweet.
I hope this series have given you some ideas of what Twitter can be. I have really enjoyed creating these videos. My next tutorial will be about Canva, a software I use all the time to create my thumbnails. So if that interests you, I suggest you hit that subscribe button down there and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out. And if you like this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. And maybe you can share it with a friend. Until next time, never forget. Don't forget. Never stop learning. Goodbye.